We will find values using properties of logs. Now these are given to us. It's nothing that you have to come up with, but you'll have a log base, for instance, of 8, log base 8 of certain numbers equaling or approximating values. So to work these problems, you will have to know how to condense or expand properties of logs. So the first one we are going to look at is log 815. Now we don't have a log 815, and yes, you could use the change of base, but you can also use properties of logs to say, well, this is log base 8 5 times 3, which is what we have in our table here. So then when we expand it, we have log base 8 5 plus log base 8 3. Well, log base 8 5 is 0.8 plus log base 8 3 is a half, so you'll get approximately 1.3 for your answer. We can have log base 3 of 21. Well, log base 3 of 21 is 3 times 7. So we can expand this. Now, we don't have this on the table, but 3 to what power gives us 3, if you remember converting these over to exponentials. So you take your base, cross over, and it should equal this value. So log base 3 of 3, that's 1 plus 1.8. So that is approximately 2.8. And it's still approximate because this value is approximate. Log base 8, 5 over 2. So this is log base 8, 5 minus log base of 8, or log base 8 of 2. So 5 would be 0.8 minus 0.3, and we get approximately a half. We can have log base 3 of 49. Well, that is the same thing as log base 3, and I'll show you two ways of doing this. This is 7 squared, so we can bring out the 2. 2 times that, 1.8, that is approximately 3.6. The other way you could have done this is log base 3, 49, that's 7 times 7. Well, that's log base 3 of 7 plus log base 3 of 7. So that's 1.8 plus 1.8, or 2 times 1.8, which would be approximately 3.6. So you use the information you have, factor these numbers into however you need to. Typically you can factor them until you have prime numbers. Sometimes we have hidden gems, which you would know the exact amount right away. That's about it. So you have your values, factor, use your addition or subtract, or your product, your quotient, or even a power rule to find the approximate values. And yes, again, you could go log base 15 over log base, or log 15 over log 8 for a change of base. You'll still get the same thing. So this is just another way of finding values. This will conclude this video.